Okay, let's make some pizza. I go in with warm water. Then next I go with my oil. You can use butter or oil, anyone you want to. We're making pizza. The water is just a little warm, not much, just little. Next is oil. And next is milk. You can choose any kind of milk you want to use. Next is milk. And I go in with spoon of salt. Then the next, I'm going for, let me say, 5 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 3 is okay for sugar. It's food. Pizza do not need much sugar. Just 3 spoons of sugar is okay. And next, I'm going with my yeast. Yes, you need a lot of yeast. 1 spoon of yeast is good to go. I didn't fool it much. I hope you see it. Stir everything together. Me, I cannot do without cinnamon. I love cinnamon in all my food, so I'm going to go with a little powder of cinnamon. It's your own choice. If you want, I don't want. I just like cinnamon. It helps in digestion and taste. You are the one that your body used to react to food. Go with cinnamon in any food that you are cooking. You don't have any problem. So I like to use cinnamon in everything that I cook. I like cinnamon. So the next one here is our flour. The next is baking powder. You bake baking powder. Next is baking powder. Then you can mix it. Let's go. Let's go. So this is what the mixing looks like. It's equal to the same way you mix your bread. So we make the pizza. So I'm done. Now I'm going to use nylon to cover it. You need heat so that it can rise very well. After maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes, you can now go ahead and proceed with our pizza. We're going to keep it in the sun for 30 minutes. Then we continue. It's good to be tall. See where I want to keep it. I cannot keep it. I need to go and find something. I am the tallest woman in the world. So I climbed this and I keep it here.